who viewed my Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check or how you can view on who checked your Facebook profile. Now, the first thing you need to know is Facebook doesn't give you an option to know or to view who has checked your Facebook profile. It doesn't give you an option to view your viewers, or there are no other such third-party apps that can track on who viewed your Facebook profile. So it's useless trying to get these third-party apps and websites to track your Facebook profile viewer. The only way you can know is if they have viewed your story or if they have liked your profile picture or any other post. Then it might be that they have viewed your profile, or it might be that your post just randomly appeared on their timeline. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.